16.3, 17th one. Probability of A is given, probability of B given, probability of A and B, that is probability of A intersection B given. We have to find first one, probability of not A. So first one, P of not A, probability of not A, that is same as probability of A dash, A complement. So probability of not A, that is same as probability of A complement, that is same as 1 minus probability of A. So that is the formula, probability of A complement. And probability of A is given 0.42. So 1 minus probability of A means 1 minus 0.42. 1 minus 0.42. That is equal to 0.58. Then second one, probability of not B. Probability of not B. That is equal to probability of B complement. That is equal to 1 minus probability of B. That is equal to 1 minus probability of B 0.48. 0.48. That is equal to 0.52. Then third one, probability of A or B. Probability of A or B. That is same as probability of A union B. Probability of A union B, that is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. So all are given, we can directly substitute. So probability of A 0.42 plus probability of B 0.48 minus probability of A intersection B, A and B, that is intersection 0.16. That is equal to 0.42 plus 0.48, that is 0.9. 0.9 minus 0.16, that is equal to 0.74. 0.74. So that's the first one. Now 18th one. In class 11 of a school, 40% of the students study mathematics. 30% of the students study biology. 10% of the class study both maths and bio. If a student is selected at random from the class, find the probability that he will be studying both maths or biology. So here in the class 11 of a school, 40% of the students study maths, 30% study biology, 10% study both. If one student is selected at random from the class, find the probability that he will be studying maths or biology. So we can consider the event A. A be the event. A be the event. The student selected, one student is selected from the class. So that student is study mathematics. So selected student study maths. B be the event. Selected student study biology. Now, so using that name A and B, what is given? In the class 11 of a school, 40% of the students study mathematics. So A is the event, selected student. So from that school, from the 11th standard, one student is selected. So what is the probability that probability of A? That means probability that the selected students study maths. See, in that class 11, given that 40% of the students study mathematics. So 40% means 40 out of 100. So in 100 students, 40 students study mathematics. So what is the probability that when one student is selected, that student study maths? What is the probability for that? So using this given condition, we can write probability of A. That means probability that the selected student study maths is 40 by 100, because in the class 11, 40% study maths, 40 out of 100 study maths. So the probability that the selected student study maths is 40 by 100. 40 by 100. Probability of B means probability that the selected student study biology. That means given that 30% study biology. So probability of B equal to 30 by 100. And also given that 10% study both maths and bio. That means probability of A intersection B equal to 10 by 100. So these are given. Question is, find the probability that the selected student, he will be studying maths or biology. That means we want to find probability of A or B. Probability of A or B, that is same as probability of A union B, that is equal to, apply the formula, probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. A intersection B. That is probability of A, given that so we want to find probability of A or B. So that is equal to probability of A plus probability of A is 40 by 100. 40 by 100 plus for probability of B 30 by 100 minus probability of A intersection B, that is 10 by 100. So that is equal to, for denominator is same. So 40 plus 30 is 70. 70 minus 10, 60. 60 by 100. That is equal to 0.6. 6 by 10, that is equal to 0.6. So probability that the selected student study maths or biology, that is equal to 0.6. 0.6. Then next one, so that is the answer. Now 19th one. In an entrance examination, entrance test that is graded on the basis of 2 examinations. The probability of a randomly chosen student passing first exam is 0.8. Probability of passing second exam is 0.7. Probability of passing at least one of them is 0.95. What is the probability of passing both? So here also we can name the event. Let A be the event that randomly chosen student or randomly selected student passing first examination. So A we can take as name the event A as the selected student or chosen student, randomly chosen student passing the first exam. So selected student passing the first exam, So here the entrance test is based on 2 examinations. So A be the event that the selected student or chosen student passing the first exam, and B be the event that selected student passing the second exam. So with respect to these events, what is given? Given that probability of a randomly chosen student passing the first exam is 0.8. So that means probability of A equal to 0.8, and probability of passing the second exam is probability of B equal to 0.7. Then probability of passing at least one of them. What is the meaning of at least one of them? That means probability of A union B. So probability of A union B equal to passing at least one of them. That means probability of A union B equal to 0.95. Now question is, what is the probability of passing both? What is the probability that the selected chosen student passing both examination? That means probability of A intersection B. So we want to find probability of A intersection B passing both examination. So using the same formula we can find. So the formula is probability of A union B equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Now substitute the given values. Probability of A union B 0.95 equal to probability of A 0.8 plus 0.7 minus probability of A intersection B. So this we want to find passing both. Both means A intersection B. So we have to find probability of A intersection B using that formula. So we can take probability of A intersection B this side. So probability of, or here we can 0.8 plus 0.7, 1.5 minus probability of A intersection B. So 0.95 equal to this one. Therefore take probability of A intersection B this side. So probability of A intersection B equal to 1.5 minus 0.95. That is, now find that 1.5 minus 0.95. 0.55. So probability of A intersection B equal to 0.55. So that is the answer. So probability that the chosen student passing both examination is equal to 0.55.